Good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Have some cloudy skies out there this morning. Did see some rain in the area yesterday, mainly to the north of Wallops with just 0.08 of an inch here, but well above an inch up near the Salisbury area. We'll see things dry as we go throughout the first part of the day, but we do have a chance of another round of some unsettled weather as we get later into the evening. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we have that low pressure that kind of moved through the area with a boundary yesterday is well off to the northeast at the moment, but we do have this other area of low pressure over the Great Lakes supported by an upper level low that will be moving to the northeast and bringing that cold front into our area. And out ahead of that cold front as it moves into our area this evening, we could see some scattered showers and storms. Looking at current observations from this morning at 8 a.m., we have a few clouds out there at 500 feet, broken deck around 1,300 feet, broken deck at 20,000 feet, and overcast at 25,000 feet. Winds are light and out of the southwest at 3 knots, temperature at 75 degrees with relative humidity at 94%. Looking at the current visible satellite, we could see plenty of cloud material moving through the area, expecting a mostly cloudy day, but could see some breaks in the cloud as we get into the afternoon, but otherwise fairly light winds across the area. Did see some low clouds and patchy fog through the region earlier this morning, but that is since starting to dissipate as we go throughout the morning. If we look at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, again expecting things to remain mainly dry as we go throughout the first part of the day. As we get into the afternoon with the warm and humid conditions, and if we get the more sun we get, the better chance we'll have of maybe a few showers developing across the area, but just a slight chance at the moment. The bulk of the activity will start to move in as we get past the 8 p.m. hour as the boundary starts to approach closer to our area, and we see some of these scattered showers and storms pushing through along with that boundary. And then we'll see that continue to push through with that front, and we'll see things start to taper off with just a slight chance of a lingering sprinkle before sunrise, and then things should dry out to start our day on Tuesday. Tuesday, expecting a dry day with decreasing clouds and becoming partly cloudy as we get towards the later part of the day, and then we'll see a continued decrease in cloud cover as we go through the evening. Again, expecting things to remain dry as we go into our Wednesday as well. So if we take a look at the short-term weather risk chart, again, as we go throughout the day, expecting a warm and muggy day as we get into the afternoon with temperatures up around 86. Could see some heat index values touching the low 90s as we go into the afternoon. Otherwise, winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10, up to 7 to 12 knots, becoming more southerly, with a few gusts up to 17 knots as we get into the afternoon. We do have yellow for precip and lightning starting mainly after the 15 or 3 p.m. local time, with just a slight chance of a developing shower, and those chances will gradually increase as we get into the late afternoon and evening, becoming the best chance as we get past that 8 p.m. time frame, with becoming more scattered in nature as we go past 8 p.m. Could see some heavy rain with a few of those showers, also potentially some gusty winds. We are under a marginal risk from the Storm Prediction Center for severe weather, so could see some stronger storms embedded with those scattered storms. Otherwise, we see that rain start to taper off as we get past the midnight hour and into the early morning hours of Tuesday, expecting a low of around 71 degrees, with the winds becoming more westerly to west-northwesterly, fairly light, 3 to 8 knots to start the day on Tuesday. Tides right now are running about a half to a foot above normal. As we look at the next couple of days, green across the board for weather risk. We'll see mostly cloudy, becoming partly cloudy day for Tuesday with a high of 83. And as we go into Tuesday evening, we'll see more seasonable conditions with partly cloudy to mostly clear conditions, a low around 62. And then going into Wednesday, we'll have a mostly sunny day to partly cloudy at times, expecting a high around 81. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 Daily Operations Weather Briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.